Good morning. We're going to airport. We'll pick up Papa because Papa is in Vietnam. Dada is here.
Where?
Dada's here and Dada.
Hi.
Papa's here.
Wala pa si Papa. Masusunduin lang natin.
And this is Ate.
We're here na sa NAIA Terminal 1. Medyo napaaga lang ang dating kasi 9 o'clock pa yung baba niya. So at least makakakain kami dito for the breakfast. Let's find basics.
Basics, let's find it.
Oh, that's dulo.
Dulo yan.
Yes po.
Basics.
Yes. That's
Da?
day 1, 2, 3, 4.
B1, B2, B3.
And that's Papa.
Where?
You know, wearing black.
Wearing black.
There.
Ah, Papa. Look, Papa. I can look it. Papa, you brought me something.
What?
You brought me something. I brought you something.
Huh?
I brought you something.
What?
Food.
What?
Food.
Food?
Yes.
Hi.
Wow!
Show.
Why it's
Show how.
not full?
I eat it.
So let's go.
Oh, this is for you.
Welcome back. Kalang tagal na wala.
Papa.
Return na sa house na.
Bye.
Bye.